In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn on your iPhone, with a simple and straightforward guide perfect for beginners. Whether you're new to VPN services or just want tips on getting started with Nordvpn, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to need to download the Nordvpn app on your iPhone. Start by heading over to the Nordvpn website. Once you're there, look for the download section. This is where you can find all the apps Nordvpn offers, and you want to select the one for iOS devices, which is perfect for our iPhone users. Click on the link that takes you to the download page. Next, you'll see an option to log in. Click on that to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, take this time to create one. It's a straightforward process, and once logged in, you'll find yourself at the account overview page. This is your control center for managing your Nordvpn settings and downloads. Now, head over to the download section within your account overview. Once you're there, take a look at the different options available for download. What you need to do next is click on More Options. This is where you'll get specific choices for the different devices and configurations Nordvpn supports. Look for the Nordvpn app under these options. In this list, find and select the VPN solution for mobile section. This is crucial since this is where you'll find the version of Nordvpn tailored specifically for smartphones. The next step in the process is selecting iOS as your operating system. This ensures that the app you download will be fully compatible with your iPhone. Now you're ready to download and install the Nordvpn app onto your iPhone. Once successfully downloaded, open the app. It will likely prompt you to log in again, so make sure you use the same credentials you used earlier. This continuity in the login process keeps all your settings synchronized across devices. When you're logged into the app, you'll have access to all of Nordvpn's features. Take a moment to explore the different settings and servers available. Nordvpn offers a range of server options worldwide, so you can find one that best suits your location and browsing needs for optimal speed and security. Before browsing, be sure to connect to a server. Simply choose one from the list and tap to connect. That's it. You're now securely connected through Nordvpn on your iPhone. Enjoy browsing with confidence, knowing your internet activity is safe and encrypted. I hope you found this guide helpful. If so, feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or tips for others. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!